Okay, so we are finally actually starting some work on the 370Z. I'm going to fix up the broken bit on the front bumper and then start wrapping probably tonight. This is what we are repairing. This piece right here. It's going to fall. Are you going to fall? Yes sir. On the back here I just lay some fiberglass back here. Then on the front here I'll just put some body filler or something and then sand it down. We'll spray some primer over it and this should be good to go. So I've already evened this out and shaved off what I needed to just so it can stay flat. We're just going to start sanding down the backside just a little bit, not too much. We just want this to kind of even out and also get kind of a hairy feel on the back just so the fiberglass and stuff has a good base to sit. So we need to start cooking. Mix all this stuff in and then we'll lay fiberglass on that. Let's see how this turns out. I don't know what I'm doing. It is what it is. Okay, so as you can see, it's not the greatest job, but we got some fiberglass sheets laid in there. Still a garage job, but hey, just gonna let that sit until it does harden and we can actually start cleaning it up. Snip off the excess and see how things are on the backside. While I was waiting for the fiberglass and resin to dry and harden, I thought I'd just go ahead and prep the side skirt for wrap. I just cleaned it with some soapy water and then just ran a clay bar all over it. Get that dried, then put some isopropyl alcohol as always. The side skirt is prepped for wrap. I've trimmed a little bit of the fiberglass just so it looks neater. That's how it's looking at the moment. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. It's not a lot of work, but it's very time consuming work. Now I just got to fix this side here, which I will do now, and then this should be golden. That took longer than expected. I'm just going to start wrapping the side skirt. We'll start laying down knifeless tape, everything like that, and we'll start wrapping. So now it's the fun part of wrapping the actual parts. Fun, is that sarcastic or not? I don't know. We'll see how this goes. So I've had to close the garage obviously because it's kind of windy, but this is the new roll of wrap. Hopefully it's not defected like last time. Hopefully 8 meters is enough. It should be enough. Officially done. There's no more tire scratch mark on the side. Let's trade the side skirt for the front bumper on the table, on the surgery table. Alright, so we've cut it to size, kind of, but now we have to start with the inlays first. I forgot about the inlays. this is where we are at right now. So we have pretty much finished all the inlays. The reason why I haven't done these is because there's no real hard edge here. So the only way to cover this is to use this main piece here to go in here. The same with this here as well, because this blends into here and all this like blends in one piece. So we'll have to use the main piece as well. I know it's going to be a challenge. It was a challenge last time. It's definitely going to be a challenge this time. It's a pretty complicated bumper. It's very round and it has a lot of sharp edges. Like this bit here, I don't know if you can see, but it comes down and then it like lips up. And also the bumper itself comes out and then goes in. That's the tricky part to having and trying to wrap this. So I got consulted by one of my mates that is a rapper, a professional rapper. Not like bars, but like vinyl wrap. Told me to glass this bit in the middle and then try bunch up this little bit and then use that bunch up bit to do all this here and to get into this deep part. If that makes sense. I don't know if it does. I don't know if that made sense to me. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot. I want to give a big shout out to Dylan 8576 and Virus Samsudin. I want to give a big shout out to you guys because you guys gifting money to the channel is wild to me, because I didn't know if anyone would realize, or yeah, like I didn't expect anything to happen from it, giving their hard-earned money to like a YouTube channel. Big thank you to YouTube to giving me the super thanks. Is that how you phrase it? I don't even know what to say. Like I don't even really want to promote it because it's one of those things where it kind of has a sour taste. I really do appreciate it. It does help the channel out. But yeah, if you guys do want to, the options there, I will absolutely do like the shout outs on the videos, and also so I'll probably do giveaways as well with that money. Just go straight back to you guys or back into the channel. It makes me so emotional. Yeah, okay, let's get back to wrapping. Let's get back to finishing. Let's see how I can lay this, and let's see how I can glass this all by myself, because this is a big long piece. Glassed a little bit. I haven't really tacked anything down. Rearranged it, as you saw. Had a bit of a struggle. Feeling kind of confident, but at the same time, not sure what I'm getting myself into. As you saw in the last clip, it was a bit of a struggle to get this side. It took me like 2.5 hours to do this side. Couldn't figure out what was happening. I tried to replicate what I did on the other side, but that wasn't happening. I had to pull everything like from the bottom. Done the top half. Now I need to do the bottom half. So show you what the top half looks like. And also click that like and subscribe button down below, please. Thanks. I've just been staring at this bit here for about half an hour, right? I think I've figured this bit out. All this here is inlaid, except this bit, because this is like blended in. We need this bit to be covered with the main piece. Even if I did inlay that, I would still come to this issue here. So what I'm thinking, bunch everything up here, because the inlay comes up around here. When I cut this piece to lay inside here, I'll cut it around here. I will have all this left over to stretch it out here, and so I can have enough material to fully cover inside and also I'll just do like a small seam. Yeah, that's what I'm planning to do. For all the wrappers that are watching, if you do wrap for a living, let me know if I'm doing it right or how I can do it better the next time. But yeah, that seems to be the method that makes sense to me. And so with this here, I did this bit here first, and then I was trying to move my way out. I remembered I was watching a video or someone posted in like the Facebook, start with the deepest crevice first and then move your way out from that. That will be the most tension and the most stress the wrap will be in. Brought all this up, and then I started here and then moved my way out this way, then finished here last. I'm glad I remembered that because that really helped. As you can see behind me, the bumper is almost finished. Trim the bumper tomorrow, and that will be it for the bumper. Wrap this literally in one piece. I don't know how I managed to do that. I learned so much wrapping this bumper again. After 32 hours, the bumper is finally done. We still have to do the wing. Oh my gosh. I learned so much wrapping this bumper again, especially having to do, well, not having to do, but doing this whole main bit in one piece. I need to learn how to finish off corners better. I need to learn how to seam better. I need to learn seam placement. I don't know if it's because of the color that I chose, but seams on this color stands out so much. I think it's because it is such a glossy color. Any imperfection to the wrap or any deviation from the natural wrap, it sticks out like a sore thumb. I don't know if that's because of how the wrap is, how the color is, or if it's because of me. My bet is because it's on me. There's a few places that I have had to do seams. Here, around this bit here, there are really harsh lines, but I tried to keep them lower. It's not in people's faces if it's like up here. Literally second time wrapping, and I did this in one piece. So I'm pretty stoked about that. That's a big accomplishment for me. I'm taking that as a W. So this front bumper is done. Side skirt is done as well. I'll see you guys when I grab my wing and we bring it back and we'll start wrapping the wing.